Hey everyone, it's Kenny here with the Parker Real Estate Group at Huff Realty. Today I am at the open house of 6174 Ridgewood Court. This is in the heart of Florence. This is a beautifully renovated 4-bedroom, 2 full bath, bi-level. This home has to be seen to be believed. You can see the beautifully redone kitchen behind me. Again, it's fully renovated, new flooring, LVT, carpet in the bedrooms. It's got a wood burning fireplace, 1-car garage. You know, this home is awesome. The deck is beautiful, and you can see the Oak Brook golf course behind you. But the good thing is it's a very wooded view, 3 seasons a year. You wouldn't be able to see any of the neighbors to the rear of you. If you have any questions about this or any other listings in the Florence, Boone County, Kenton County, entire Northern Kentucky, please reach out. I'll be happy to get you answers, get you in if you want to see any of these. I look forward to talking to y'all.